Entrepreneurship is the process of identifying opportunities in the marketplace and taking the necessary steps to capitalize on them. It involves not only coming up with ideas, but also taking risks, making decisions, and leading the creation and growth of a business. Being an entrepreneur means finding solutions to problems, creating products or services that serve others, and building something from the ground up. It is a journey that requires perseverance, creativity, and a willingness to learn from mistakes. One of the key traits of successful entrepreneurs is their mindset. They are forward-thinking and see opportunities where others see obstacles. They approach challenges with optimism and resilience, knowing that failure is often a stepping stone to success. Entrepreneurs are also highly adaptable. In a world that is constantly changing, being able to pivot, adjust strategies, and innovate is crucial for survival and growth. To succeed in entrepreneurship, you also need to be resourceful. While some may have the luxury of large capital or backing, many successful entrepreneurs have started with limited resources. What sets them apart is their ability to make the most of what they have, whether it's leveraging their networks, using creative marketing strategies, or utilizing technology to streamline operations. Resourcefulness enables you to make progress even when resources are scarce. Entrepreneurs must also be driven by passion. Starting a business is rarely a smooth journey. The long hours, the constant problem solving, and the ups and downs can be mentally and physically draining. Passion gives you the energy and motivation to keep going when things get tough. It helps you stay committed to your vision and overcome the challenges that inevitably come your way. The role of an entrepreneur extends beyond just starting a business. They are leaders, decision makers, and problem solvers. Entrepreneurs often wear many hats in the early stages of their business, from managing finances to overseeing marketing and operations. As the business grows, they may hire a team, but their leadership and vision remain at the core of the company's success. Entrepreneurship is not for the faint of heart. It requires the ability to think critically, take calculated risks, and make decisions that can have lasting impacts. But the rewards, both personal and professional, can be substantial. Entrepreneurship offers the chance to create something meaningful, build wealth, and enjoy the freedom that comes with being your own boss. It's about turning your ideas into reality, even when the path isn't always clear. In the end, entrepreneurship is about creating value and solving problems. It's about seeing opportunities in the marketplace, having the courage to pursue them, and doing what it takes to turn those opportunities into successful businesses. Whether you're starting a small business or planning to build a large enterprise, the principles of entrepreneurship apply. It all starts with an idea, a vision, and the willingness to take the first step.